Hello, hello everyone. Right now I'm at the home page of the Play Store app. So I'm gonna take you through the details. How can somebody make money online? Many times we do misuse our time while using the internet on the social media. Um, so I'm gonna show you how you can make money online on the app that is called the Primacy. So you tap in the search box and tap on the Primacy app. This app is a really awesome app that they ask you a few questions, you take a few tasks, and you'll be able to make yourself money in your free time. You don't need to stress yourself. You just you can share knowledge. You do a little bit of surveys and you get paid. With this app you get paid. Are you getting me? You can share. When you share your knowledge, you can share knowledge because there are tasks for just sharing knowledge and earn extra money. So guys, go grab yourself the Primacy app so that you do a little bit of tasks. You grab yourself, and these tasks are being done in the area where you stay. Then they don't ask you tasks far away from where you stay, but as long as you do take your time and you do complete their tasks, you'll be able to grab yourself some money with this app. You get paid with this app. So guys, go to the Play Store, those using the Android devices, and App Store for those using the iPhone, so that you can download yourself the Primacy app and get to make some money via the online. Thank you.